Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture. Here in this lecture, I am going to discuss one question of continuity where you have to discuss the continuity of the function at a point x equal to 2. That means discussion of a continuity of a function at a point. So the continuity chapter can be divided into 3 or more parts. And the first is discussion of continuity of a function at a specific point. So the first time, যেতিয়া তোমালোকক এটা পইণ্টত এটা ফাংশনৰ continuity check কৰিবলৈ কয়, then what will be the steps to be required to have the answer? So let's start first. এটা কি হয়, x equal to now first of all we will write down given function what it is there. So first of all we write down the function f of x 2 minus x 2 plus x x less than 2. And here it will be x greater than or equal to 2. At which point you have to check? At x equal to 2. At x equal to 2, we have to check the continuity of the function. A function f is continuous at x equal to c if and only if the main condition is that limit x tends to c minus f of x should be equal with limit x tends to c plus f of x is equal to functional value at the point c. Or you can say that left hand limit should be equal to right hand limit is equal to f of c. If this condition is satisfied by any function, then the function will be known as continuous. X tends to c minus f of x, that means left hand limit at the point x equal to c. X tends to c plus f of x, that means the right hand limit, and this is nothing but a functional value at x equal to c. In place of x you have to put x equal to c exactly. Teta hey x equal to c number point of function to continuous boli koha. These 3 lines are very important to be noted down. Ei kotha to ami janibo lagibo. Then as you have to find out the continuity or discuss the continuity of function at x equal to 2, so we'll try to find out the left hand limit, right hand limit as well as the functional value. Eta kotha to hol je sob question ta ami right hand or left hand uliabo dorkar nai nalage. Generally it is not required to find out the right hand limit as well as the left hand limit of the function. Whenever keno question belakot ami left hand or right hand uliam, generally listen carefully. Whenever the function is a piecewise function to piecewise function hobo laibo, that means the function should be divided into 2 or more parts. Function to duta ba tatke besi bhagot bhag kora hobo lagibo, depending upon that point at which you have to discuss the continuity. G2 point of continuity check koribole koise, he point to upor base kori function to divide kora hobo lagibo. That means less than 2 tutke horu value karone, for all those values of x which are less than 2, the function f of x equal to 2 minus x. For all those values of x greater than 2, that means tutke dangor hole x or value bilak jodi tutke dangor hoy, tetale functional value to kiman hoy 2 plus x hobo. So then obviously we can easily think that this is the right hand limit of 2. Tutke dangor boli kole 2 right hand hobo, and less than 2 means 2 left hand. So this is the left hand limit or kane eto function expression, and right hand or kane eto functional expression. And at x equal to 2, what will be the expression? At x equal to 2, here equal sign is here. For at x equal to 2, the functional expression will be 2 plus x. 0 2 upor depend kori function to right hand, left hand, all the possibilities are given, so we can easily think about the right hand, left hand as well as the functional value of that expression. A question to khetra ami right hand, left hand uliam. 0 2 uliabo koise aru 2 upor base kori bhag kora ase. So how can you write down? Now you have to write down the answer in a specific way. Answer to jona aru likham the differences. So keneke likhim? So first of all you write down left hand limit. Left hand limit means limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means at which point you have to check the continuity. At x equal to 2 you have to check the continuity. So 2 left hand limit uliaisu. So f of x. Expression is like that. Limit or tolatele x tends to 2 minus likhisu, and f of x will be parallel to limit. So limit here again x tends to 2 minus. Listen carefully. We have considered moi eta number line dal draw koi dekhachu bujibole hubidha hobo. So 2 is the point where you have to discuss the continuity. Function means function represents a collection of points, and points always represents a curve. That's why function always represents a curve. Function mane here corresponding a graph thakiboi. He graph dal 2 point continuous hone na hoy, hetu tomak check koribo koise. Thik ase, ami 2 point continuous mane 2 right hand or left hand side thoka point bilakor ami corresponding image asena check korim. 2 image asena sum, that means nothing but f of 2. টু ৰাইট হেণ্ড লিমিট টুৰ একেবাৰে গাতে লাগি থকা নেইবাৰহুড পইণ্ট বুলি কোৱা হয় টুৰ একেবাৰে গাতে লাগি থকা পইণ্টবিলাকত আমি এটা কৰস্পণ্ডিং ইমেজ চাম আৰু টুৰ একেবাৰে গাতে লাগি থকা লেফ্ট হেণ্ড ছাইডৰ পইণ্টবিলাকত আমি ইমেজ চাম ইফ অল দোজ ভেলুজ আৰ ইকুৱেল দেন আ ফাংচন উইল বি নন এজ কণ্টিনিউৱাছ এট দেট পইণ্ট এক্সৰ কোনবিলাক ভেলু কনচিডাৰ কৰিছোঁ 2 মাইনাছ মানে টুতকৈ সৰু উই হেভ কনচিডাৰ অল দোজ ভেলুজ অফ এক্স হুইচ আৰ লেছ দেন 2 এক্সৰ ভেলুবিলাক যেতিয়া টুতকৈ সৰু হয় এফ অফ এক্সৰ ভেলু কিমান দিয়া আছে টুতকৈ সৰু হ'লে কুৱেশ্যন এবাৰ চালে দেখিবা for all those values of x which are less than 2 f of x equal to kiman diase f of x equal to 2 minus x that's why in place of f of x I have written 2 minus x now to find out the limit in place of x what you have to write down 2 all numerical value 2 এই উপৰৰ সাইনটো নহয় এই সাইনটো ৰাইট হেণ্ড লেফট হেণ্ড হেতু বুজায় টুতকে ডাঙৰ না টুতকে সৰু হেতু বুজাব that's why we will not try to put this sign আমি অকল numerical value বহাম x ৰ জায়গাত 2 বহালে কেম পাবা 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. We have got the left hand limit as 0. Now we'll try to find out the right hand limit. Limit x tends to 2 plus. Right hand mane 2 right hand dot kun bilak thake. This one is 3 and this one is 1. All those values of x which are greater than 2 are right hand limit. Tutke greater hole 2 right hand thakibo. So right hand limit 2 plus means greater than 2. So f of x limit x tends to 2 plus. We have considered all those values of x which are greater than 2. Tutke greater hole function to value kiman dekhaise. Tutke greater hole function to value dekhaise 2 plus x. So that's why in place of x using bracket you have to write down the expression. Bracket use koriba because limit to duita number opote apply kora jabo. So in place of x you have to write down 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to what? 4. Again we will try to find out for x exactly equal to 2. f of x is equal to kiman dia ase for x exactly equal to 2 f of x is equal to 2 plus x that's why we'll try to find out the f of 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 so to be continuous left hand limit right hand limit and function value should be equal now have we got they are equal no as directly we'll write down as left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit is equal to what f of 2 these are equal that's why I have written equal sign here and this one is not equal or you can say that first of all tomalke equal gita likhi loba okay first ami equal gita likhilom as right hand limit is equal to f of 2 but not equal to left hand limit therefore f is not continuous at x equal to continuous নহয় কাৰণ to right hand limit left hand limit functional value are not equal hey kane function to x equal to continuous will nako from the observation you can easily identify 2 right hand means greater than 2 this expression will represent a right hand limit so in place of x you have to consider 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 tamane 2 right hand limit 4 dekhai ase 2 left hand limit that means less than 2 ya jodi 2 bahai dia 0 left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit therefore limit does not exist therefore the function is not continuous tomalke yat sai pine koi dibo pariba greater than 2 means right hand limit less than 2 means left hand limit so left hand limit means 2 minus 2 x jaga 2 bahai disu so 0 2 plus 2 4 0 is not equal to 4 therefore the function is not continuous this is the first procedure that we have got and the same question can also be done using h samata quantity consider koriu is same question to ami answer likhibo paru so how can we write down the answer of this question using h somewhere you may get this expression so he kane moi duita ke ekaloge consider kori dekhai disu so eta kotha to hol obviously left hand limit in the same procedure should be equal to right hand limit is equal to f of 2 hole he function to continuous bili koa hoy all those steps will be remain same first of all you have to write down a given condition function is continuous ena kothana tomalake likhile bhal hobo so now what we will do first of all we will try to write down left hand limit means what limit x tends to 2 minus f of x am I correct eta kotha to hol x or value bilak katke horu hoy you have considered all those values of x which are less than 2 suppose this one is 2 this one is 1 and this one is 2 so you have considered all those values of x which are less than 2 means tutke horu but which numbers you have considered which are less than 2? 1 consider korisane? No, we are not considering, though 1 is less than 2, but we are not considering 1. We have considered all those real numbers which are less than 2, but neighborhood to 2. 2 ekebare gate lagi thoka point bilakot ami consider korisu. Can you identify that number? Tutke he horu number bilak identify koribo pariba jano? No aru. Hekan ami keneke likhim soa? Ami eta expression consider korim. So mo ki consider korisu soa? X jagat ki consider korim? What are the values of x? The values of x are less than 2. 2 minus 8. Less than 2 mane tutke komaisa. Kiman komaisa? Tutke kiman horu? 2 pora kiman minus korisa? 2 pora sa olopman minus korisu. That means h is approximately tends to 0. h is not exactly 0, but h to nearest to 0 hoy. Mini buji paisa ke jano. Mo x jagat ki consider korisu? 2 minus 8. Why we have considered? Because we in place of x we have considered all those real numbers which are less than 2. So 2 minus 8 boli golo, but h should be a positive quantity, remember. H to negative hole ki hobo? Negative positive. Jetela x equal to tutke dangore hoy jabo, but h is a positive quantity which is negligible. Ekebare horu. H tends to 0 mane ki h or value 0 ekebare nearest. 0 nearest mane 0.000000000 tam thousand era 0 dipin crore ta 0 crore ta 0 dipin tumi 1 ta disa. Very negligible quantity moi 2 para minus korisu. He quantity 2 pa minus koi dia obviously to 2 ekebare gate lagi thoka point eta hoy jabo, nearest point eta hobo 2. So h tends to 0 hobo, tumi h tends to 0 hobo, thike ase ami himan consider korisu. Era kotha tol tuma condition ti ki asil? X tends to 2. X or jega jete moi 2 bahai dim, simplify korasun. 2 equal to 2 minus 8. H to equal lo yaha 2 minus 2 equal to kya pala? X equal to 2 hole h equal to kya paisa? H equal to kya paisa? 0. Hekane moi likhim as x tends to 2, h tends to 0. Kotha khan mon koriba dei ki koisu. Tumi jetu x tok change korisa, hekane tumi tar limit to change kori dibo lagibo. Moi ki likhilu so ebar? ইয়াতে লিখিলে হল দেন মই তলত লিখিছো বুজিবৰ কাৰণে লিমিট এবা মই x to change কৰিছো x ৰ জায়গাত কি কনসিডাৰ কৰিম 2 minus h listen কি কনসিডাৰ কৰিলো x tends to 2 minus মানে হেকনে 2 minus h লিখিছো টুটকে হৰু 2 minus আছে ন 2 minus h আৰু তুমি h তো লিখিলা সো তুমি জানা x tends to 2 হতে h tends to কিমান হৈছে x ৰ জায়গাত যে মই 2 বহাই দিছিলো x ৰ জায়গাত যে মই 2 বহাই দিছিলো সিম্পলিফাই কৰিলত h ৰ জায়গাত কিমান আহিলে 0 হেকনে তুমি ইয়াত h tends to 0 লিখিব লাগিব expression to bhalke bar swasun ki likhilu limit x tends to 2 minus f of x which is converted to limit h tends to 0 f of 2 minus h eta sabar roba 1 minute limit h tends to 0 etia tumi x of place etu consider kori rakha nai na baro etu consider kori rakhisu x mane kiman 2 minus h eta x or value to tutke dangor hoyese ne horu hoyese koba lage obviously x or value to tutke 2 minus mane tutke horu jetia x or value tutke horu hoy f of x mane kiman dekhai those f of x মানে obviously 2 minus x দেখা নাই নে বাৰু f of x is equal কিমান দেখাইছে 2 minus listen yet যেতিয়া x less than 2 হৈছে f of x is equal to 2 minus x দেখাইছে তেতিয়ালে মোক কিমান লাগে f of x না লাগে না মোক কিমান লাগে f of 2 minus h লাগে x টুক মই কি হদা ৰিপ্লেস কৰিলো 2 minus h 2 টু থাকিবই x টু কি হে ৰিপ্লেস কৰিছে 2 minus h জতে x আছে মততে 2 minus h বহাই দিম এতিয়া মই কি বহাই দিম 2 minus h plus 2 minus 2 cancel so answer is what h ta mane f of 2 minus h is equal to exactly h so h so jagat ki bahaba 0 bahaba obviously it will become 0 otnimu ami left hand limit 0 paisilu sala dekhiba tumaloke left hand limit is equal to what left hand limit is equal to 0 here also we have got the same limit left hand limit equal to 0 but the procedure will be little bit different f of x is equal to 2 minus h tutke horu hole 2 minus h jodi 5 otke horu holden 5 minus h jodi 7 otke holden 7 minus h teneke likhilete so jetia x tends to 2 minus hole yate oda h tends to jetia tumi h introduce koriba h tends to oda kiman hobo 0 eta a expression to value kenai koralo initially x or value jetia tutke horu hoy question to bhalke bar saba when the x is less than 2 f of x is equal to 2 minus x mukido f of x na lage ki lage 2 minus h ekene 2 minus x or again 2 minus h bahai to simplify korle h now right hand limit you will get my point right hand limit x tends to right hand limit means greater than 2 f of x correct so limit f of 2 plus means 2 plus h I think you are getting my point 2 plus h and what is h h is negligible that means h is tends to 0. Here x is greater than 2 or less than 2? Greater than 2. For all those values of x greater than 2, x or value 2 ke dangor hole function value kiman dekhaise 2 plus x. F of x is equal to kiman dekhaise 2 plus x. What you have to find it out? F of 2 plus h is you have to find it out. 2 plus h mane 2 to thakiboi jagate x or jagat ki bohaisa 2 plus h ekane a to x or jagat ki bohabo 2 plus h. So answer 4 plus h thakil. So limit h tends to 0. In place of f of x, you have to write down 4 plus h. Dekhila na f of 2 plus h equal to 4 plus h. Now in place of x, what you have to consider? 0. Put it 0 here. So 4 plus 0. Answer is what? 4. That means right hand limit. Here what you have got? 4. Here also you have got right hand limit is equal to 4. Now what we will do? We will try to find out the functional value. At x equal to 2, f of x is equal to kiman dekhaise x plus 2. So f of 2 is equal to what? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. But for exact value, you are not supposed to consider. So 2 minus means 2 minus h. 2 plus means 2 plus h. 0 number upon base koi likhiba. 3 likhile 3 plus h 3 minus h tenaka dhৰণৰ. So as left hand limit is not equal to what? A right hand limit is equal to f of 2. Equal to ke likhisu. Because right hand limit aru functional value equal. Hekane equal likhisu. Ehetor dutar value logot ki equal hoy left hand limit. Therefore f is not continuous at x equal to 2. This is the answer. These two different methods are there. These two methods are there. We can easily apply to have the idea about the writing procedure of a function where you have to seek the continuity of a function at that point. So using h also you can easily prove. Somewhere you may get, and without using h also you can easily write down. Both the methods are applicable. But remember, some questions are there where exactly you have to use h. So that's why I have considered h here to get the answer. Just go through the steps once again, and thank you so much for being with me. Thank you.